up and welcome back to another video. And this video is not just another video because finally we are doing our empty house tour.
Yes,
it's gonna be a quick one. We just reached today this morning at 3 o'clock. Like you guys saw our previous vlog, we were driving and we just reached today, so we came for a picture. Yeah, it's gonna be here tomorrow. So we are here with Yashu, Ashley, and our guide Elliot. So anyways, let us give you that first look. So that is gonna be our new place, our new crib. So let's take a look inside. Alrighty, so here we are. This is the entrance and this is our living room, formal living room, but this is gonna be Tanya's studio room.
Yes. And
then moving right into our dining space. This is gonna be a dining space. I almost hit my head there, but this is gonna be a dining space. I like it actually. I didn't even notice it until this moment. Over here we have our
guest bathroom.
powder room. Not guest bathroom. So this is the first time we are seeing our house.
Yeah.
So this is our powder room, and of course, like I said, this is gonna be a quick house tour, empty house tour, and once we furnish it, we'll give you a much detailed look. And on our entryway, we have our coat closet here because there are winters here. Well, we finally walk into a family room right here. Double height ceiling. Now, I don't know how ever I'm gonna turn on and off that fan, but luckily
We have a remote.
we have a remote here, and we got this cozy fireplace over here.
And then moving on to my favorite place. Oops, I'm the waterfall. Is this nook area and the kitchen right here.
She is super excited about the nook.
And then another my favorite area because it's on this thing that only I do it, the laundry room. And that's the door for the garage.
Yes.
So it's not a big garage. Then
Guess what? Marvel is not here, but let me show you Marvel's favorite place. Elliot, you wanna show outside? Let's go.
Yeah.
And Elliot is behind the camera and he is showing you. What is this, Elliot?
Here's the outside.
This is the outside. Lift up the camera. Yes, this is the outside, and this is our deck. And then there is the yard. Wanna show them the yard?
show them the yard.
And this is the yard. Whoa. All right, let's go.
Good job.
I usually my favorite place.
And then Elliot's favorite place. Let's go and look at Elliot's favorite place. His favorite place is upstairs, so let's go. So Elliot has already claimed his room, and Elliot's room is this room. So this is basically our guest room. So that's Elliot's room. He's gonna be coming over here for sleepovers.
Yeah, my room. And then the guest room.
And then the
Other bedroom.
other bedroom over here. Then this is the guest bathroom. And this is a loft area that's gonna be our office space. So Tanya can just yell at me from here. And the best for the last. You wanna do the honors?
Let's go.
Super excited about
The master
the
bedroom.
master suite. And then this is the bathroom, the master's bath, shower, and the closet. Well, so that was a quick tour.
Yes.
And we felt like we already saw the house before, but this wasn't like physically in real. This is the first time we saw a house. They FaceTimed and showed us the house before. They actually knew more than we did. So that was a tour. Today's Diwali. So happy Diwali from all of us. Happy Diwali! So happy Diwali to all of you. We are gonna go celebrate. There's gonna be another vlog for Diwali. But for now, hope you guys are having as much fun like we are. Staying close to the family. That's the plus. So anyways, we just came here. You guys, we did the puja. We actually just brought a little Ganeshji. We kept the Ganeshji. And we did a little diya thing because it's Diwali and it's our first day in the house. And now we will be moving in tomorrow because our movers are coming in tomorrow. Once the house is furnished, which is gonna take a little bit of time for us.
Yeah.
It's not an apartment anymore. So it's gonna take a little bit of time, but once we are done doing that, there is gonna be another tour. Like, I know you guys always wait for it. So anyways, that was the little tour. And this is our guide here. Ellie, did you show them your window?
No.
No? Show them. I'll point the camera at you. Go show them. Elliot's favorite window.
That's his actually.
That's his window at the staircase. Wow. Alright guys, that was our house tour. And now we're gonna head back and show them your swing.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go show them your swing. Swing. Where's the show?
No, you gotta go in it.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Yeah, I want to see you swinging.
There's a swing.
Where is it? Show in the camera. No, they didn't see the camera.
Show to the camera.
Show which one is it?
That's Elliot's swing over there.
I tried this before.
Can I sit in it?
Let me see quickly.
Can I sit in it, or is it just for you?
This for Elliot and Evelyn. Okay, there we go.
Wow.
And he goes, woo!
Oh my god. Is that fun? Can Everly go in it? Yeah.
Well, alright guys, thank you for watching our empty house tour. I know it was quick, it's Diwali, there's a lot going on, but we really wanted to share this moment
We
with
have been
you.
hiding it from you guys for so long, but we couldn't
Yes,
anymore.
and this was our first time seeing our house ourselves,
Yeah.
and we are sharing it with you. Give it some love, like, share, comment, stay tuned with us for a lot coming, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye!